If you are someone who doesn't want to chop as much, hates chopping up vegetables, wants to get a food processor. Food processors are a necessity for me as a vegan. There are so many different things that I can make with a food processor. So what I got was a Cuisinart. It was $190.17 after taxes. We bought it from Wayfair and it took less than a week to get here. So here we go, let's check it out. This is, okay, that didn't work. There's the top. So you can get these used if you don't want to spend the money. It's pretty expensive. So far these are really nice. My other one was really old, so it's definitely time for a new one. Oh god, I'm gonna have to put this together. Okay. Oh, here's all the stuff. You get recipes in the information book. These are the two blades, the main blade that you're going to use most of the time. It's a pretty big bowl. Oh, these are incredibly, incredibly sharp. So be careful. These are very, very sharp. So we're at urgent care right now because Jeff sliced a chunk of his finger off using the new food processor chopper function. Okay, so the detachable stem, I'm sitting here trying to like figure this out, like how does this go? Does this go there or there? It's kind of confusing. You're just gonna, like that. So it went in there, see? And then you turn it and let the thing go, and then it's stuck on there. So there I am, solving problems for you guys. Let's put it all together. Seem to have a little bit of trouble on how to figure this out. Okay, so it looks snaps on a little different. I mean, I'm sure I'll get used to it, but it's like, it seems like. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll be back figuring out how to freaking do this part. You guys, I am so frustrated with this thing. I went to this web address right there. So go to for instructions, and it is page not found. So pretty irritated at this moment. We'll see. Okay, so I finally got it figured out. And it's pretty quiet, as you can hear. Let me show you what was so confusing. So first of all, the handle and the little where you throw the stuff in is opposite. So you want it to click back here, and the way it works is kind of weird. Like I broke a piece of this off. See this right here? I don't know what the hell was there, but I broke a piece off because I was so frustrated trying to figure out how to get this thing to work. And then I felt really stupid because there's all kinds of videos on YouTube about how they just don't even tell you that part. But basically, if you can see right here, see this little plastic piece? That's the stopper, and you need it to go in. For whatever reason, mine wasn't going in. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I am also a musician. I sing and write songs, and January 1st, 2020, I started a daily vlog about my experience living with bipolar type 1 with psychotic features and mixed episodes. If you are someone who's suffering from mental illness or know someone who has mental illness, please tune into my channel if that's something that interests you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.